Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Stripe Express login issues, identity verification errors step by step clearly. Open your email or SMS from Stripe and use the latest Express login link instead of an old saved bookmark. Check that your phone date and time are set to automatic, because wrong time can break one-time login links. Try logging in from an incognito or private window to avoid cache sessions causing verification loops. Clear your browser cache and cookies for Stripe. Common link. Then restart the browser. Disable VPN, proxy, and ad blockers temporarily, because they can block identity verification redirects. Switch to a different browser like Chrome, Safari, or Firefox to rule out browser-specific issues. If you are on mobile, update the Stripe Express app or use the mobile browser if the app fails. Confirm you are using the correct country and phone number format when receiving SMS codes. Request a new verification code and wait at least 60 seconds before requesting another to avoid rate limits. Make sure your name and date of birth match your government ID exactly, including middle names and accents. Verify that your Stripe account email is accessible and you can receive messages without spam filtering. Check your network and try another Wi-Fi or mobile data connection to avoid ISP security blocks. If the page shows identity verification failed, click to review the requirements and do not guess the fields. Prepare a valid, non-expired government ID that Stripe accepts in your country. Scan or photograph the ID in good light, with all corners visible and no glare or blur. Upload the original document image, not a screenshot, edited file, or compressed social media image. If selfie or liveness check is required, remove hats and glasses and use a plain background. Allow camera permissions in your browser settings for Stripe. Then refresh and retry the capture. If the verification page is stuck loading, turn off, prevent cross-site tracking, or strict privacy mode temporarily. Check that your legal address matches your proof documents and that your zip or postal code is correct. If Stripe asks for SSN, EIN, or tax ID, enter the official number tied to your legal entity, not a personal guess. Open the Express dashboard and look for any action required banner and complete items in the shown order. Ask the platform you work with to resend your Express onboarding link if your connected account is outdated. If you changed your legal name or address recently, update it first on the platform, then rerun verification. Wait for Stripe review if it says in review, because repeated uploads can slow down processing. If you receive document unreadable, retake photos at higher resolution and avoid low-light environments. When you see, we couldn't verify, contact Stripe support through the Express help link and attach the error screenshot. Document the exact error message, your country, and the browser you used, so support can escalate faster. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.